What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Dad Does Videos. Today we want to test a new product. This is the Faultless Iron Cleaner. And as you can see here, I think everybody's faced this at some point. We have some caked on residue on our iron, and we've tried all kinds of other kind of home remedies, I guess, to remove that. And if you faced with this before, or maybe if you haven't, what happens is that the residue comes off on clothes you're trying to iron, and the iron just doesn't work as well. It gets kind of stuck on clothes and sometimes ruins them. So we're gonna give this product a shot just to see what happens. First step when you use this is to get your iron hot. So we're gonna plug it in, make it nice and hot, and then go from there. Okay, our iron is nice and hot. We're going to get our product and squeeze about 2 inches of it on a cloth. And then once we do that, we are going to rub in a circular motion on the area and see what happens. Just be careful, your iron's hot, remember. So you want to be aware of where your hands are. And this stuff is starting to come off. We might have to reapply, but as you can see, it already looks a little better. I don't want to burn my hands here because this is absolutely getting hot. I think we're going to put some more on in a different area because I think we have run out of the cleaning power of this initial application, as you can see, but it's already gotten a lot better. So we'll add some more on, see what happens. You can see this steams up as soon as you get it on here, and I think that's the power of the heat and the steam, is it helps get this cleaning solvent in there. Look at that. And helps dissolve that caked on residue. You just have this one little area, I'm not even sure you can see, right up here that needs taken care of. So I'm gonna keep trying and hopefully not burn myself here. I have to do one more application to get this one little part. This is a tough part of this. Almost gone. All right, that's it. A couple more spots up top here that we're gonna try to get off. So this looks perfectly good and much different than what you saw at the beginning of this video, right? So per the directions on this product, we want to, as you can see, we've got some residue on our cloth here. We want to move to a different part of the cloth where it's nice and clean. Whew, that stuff is hot, so be careful when you're doing this. And just wipe away some of that cleaning agent that's been used. That's it. Thanks for watching, everybody.